What is sociology? Sociology is the study of human society. It is all about understanding how people interact with one another, how groups are formed, how cultures are shaped, and how institutions like family, education, religion, and government work. You can think of sociology as a way to look at everyday life with a deeper lens. It asks questions like, why do people behave the way they do in a group? Why do certain traditions exist in one country but not in another? What causes poverty or inequality? Why do people join protests or follow social trends? One of the simplest ways to describe sociology is this: it helps us understand why society functions the way it does. When we look around, we see people living together, working, going to school, following rules, celebrating festivals, voting in elections, and even arguing on social media. Sociology does not just observe these things, it tries to explain why they happen and how they influence our behavior. It shows us how everything is connected, from the way we are raised in our families to the way global news affects our thinking. Sociologists are like detectives of society. They look for patterns in human behavior. For example, they may study why students from rich families often get better grades or why certain communities have higher rates of unemployment. They try to find out what social factors are behind these differences. They might look at education systems, economic backgrounds, or even historical events that have shaped a community. What is sociology?